guys, it's Elaine from Metropolitan Air Technology. Today I want to talk to you about lengthening and shortening the cable in the field. This is a question I get asked about all the time. Can you do it out in the field after the dampers have been shipped? And the answer is yes. It's very simple to do, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The first one is on our RT150 radial damper. As you know, this will ship completely assembled to the job site with the cable assembled. In order to lengthen the cable in the field, you simply take your standard coupling, slide it over the existing cable length, take the extension cable that you order, connect the two, secure it with your set screws. You've now lengthened the cable in the field. If you want to shorten your cable in the field, what you do is you cut your cable to that desired length. You now take your field cut cable end, you slide it over the cut end of the cable. You've now shortened your cable in the field. For those of you who use our worm gear actuator, you're familiar with seeing everything shipping completely assembled. Now, when you want to alter this cable, you don't want to touch anything on the termination point. Everything you want to do is on the worm gear side. So if you need to shorten this cable in the field, it's very simple. You simply loosen out the set screws, pull this cable out, cut it to your desired length, take your field cut cable end, insert it into your worm gear, slide back the cable, secure it. You've just shortened the cable in the field. If you need to lengthen it, same holds true. You loosen up those screws, pull that cable out, take your extension cable, slide it back in. Now you use your coupling, connect the two cables together. You've just lengthened the cable in the field. It's that easy, it's that simple. Know that we have everything in stock. We have the couplings in stock, whatever cable extensions you need, we have in stock. Email me, let us know how we're doing. Let us know if this solution worked for you. Any suggestions and ideas. Thanks guys, till next time.